Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I will show you how to enable core isolation, memory integrity in Windows 11. So to enable this feature guys, you actually don't do it from the settings, but from the settings you need to navigate to the Windows Defender first. It's going to be hidden, that setting inside it. So for that you need to navigate to the privacy and security. And then as you can see we have the multiple settings here that are all related to security and safety. And we need to just go ahead and click on Windows Security. Okay, and then once again, click on Open Windows Security. All right, let me drag this window for you guys here. And in here, guys, you just need to go to the device security. And then, as you can see, we have core isolation here. So there's no toggle here. Just click on this blue text right here in the bottom. And in here, guys, as you can see, we have the core isolation. So as you can see, this is the settings that we need. You just click on this toggle right here. I disable it for better performance in video games and in general, but if you need it, just toggle this on. Then after that, you don't really need to reboot your system, I think. It will be activated right away, and the feature then starts working. That's it guys, very easily done as always. Enjoy and like and subscribe.